So in this video I'm basically going to walk through my arrangement of O Come, Emmanuel, so you can learn to play it without having to read any music, and I haven't got any music anyway. And at the end of this video you can see the piece played in full, so you can look at it there, stop the video, or you can work through it section by section here with the overhead view. So at the beginning we start with a simple melody in the right hand and this pattern in the left hand of a D, A, D, B flat. Just show how that goes. Then we have this glissando, sorry, not glissando, grace note octave, B flat in the left hand, down to an E, with a C and an A in the left hand. Play that whole section. Then as we continue on with the melody, the left hand does this pattern where you've got a B flat and an F at the same time, and then it goes to the A, and then an A, E going to the G. So it's the melody in the right hand, again has a couple of grace notes. I'll show it all together. Then we have a run in the G minor chord. With the B flat, grace note octave, B flat in the left hand, down to an A. So you're playing 3 A's, 3 B flats. Pattern in the left hand. And the right hand, you're playing these notes, A, B flat, D, as the run begins in the left hand. Play that whole section again. Okay, now as the melody continues, we're going to come further down in the left hand. And the right hand we're going to play for our first chord, which is A, B flat, D, G. Left hand, going to run up through the G minor chord again, G, D, G, A, B flat, D, E, F. And the right hand's playing the melody. Starts with that chord, then it's just single notes. Then you've got the D minor pattern, D, A, F. And if you can't stretch these tenths, you can always play an octave. D, A, F, A, F. And we got is a C, A, E, A, E. It's kind of an A minor pattern. A little trill. You've got this A minor here. Arpeggio. A, E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, E, whilst the right hand does this. I'll just play that section again. Octave, grace note. Sorry. Then this next section sounds kind of mysterious. You've got the melody with a D, A, go into a B flat, show you how that goes. So the melody in the right hand, single note F, D, G, A. And that just changes from the D and the A to the B flat to the octave below, B flat, A, B flat. Sound kind of weird on their own, but it sounds nice together. A little grace note in the right hand, which begins the run in a D minor in the left hand. Starts from the lower D, D, A, D, E, F, A, D, E, F. Play that section again. Okay, so you're nearly there. Let's go to the next part. Here we have a glissando section, which is quite hard to play because I'm stretching very far here. You need big hands to do this, but you can just do it on the A minor chord, C, E, C. So if you can't reach this, so this is how it goes. So I've got the octave E, 1, 5, 8 in the left hand, octave E and A, and then I'm doing B, C, E, C, all with one hand, which is quite hard to play. I find it quite hard to play and I wrote it. But you can do this. So it sounds better the other way, but if you can't stretch, that's fine. And this is the simple version. Still sounds nice. So the first section, in the F pattern, F, C, F, G, A, C, E. You can just practice those to get them. I have to. And then you've got the G, B flat, A. 1, 5, 8 in the left hand, G, D, G. There I'm going A, F, C, and then B flat, F, B flat, C, C. And you can do variations on this because, to be honest, it's always a variation when I do it because I don't play exactly the same every time, and you don't need to. There's flexibility there. So just show you that section again. And you recognise this from before, the B flat, F, A to the A, E, G. And then here you've got the G minor chord, A, B flat, D in the right hand. So let me just show you that section. Then you come to this part where you've got the B flat in the left hand, octave, and you're doing this B flat 2 pattern. That's the second of B flat chord, third, second. Again, how you do that run, you can do it different every time. That's what I do. But this is how I play it, roughly. You just want to get up to the C, because then you're going to play the melody or the chorus part again with the lower section in the left hand. I'm going to show you what the left hand does. A minor pattern, F, so again A minor pattern, F, G minor, and here in that B flat 2 chord again. And you can do your own run around those chords. Anything like that will do. And then you got back to the same chords that you've been playing before. B flat, A minor. And that goes to the very last section of the piece. So just play the end part again. So you've got the right hand playing this octave pattern with the third. And that crunchy chord, A, B flat, G. Then you get to this B flat 2 chord where you do the run using the notes B flat, C, F. Do it more simply. You can go back to those notes you're familiar with now. And it goes to this final section, which is kind of an improvisation at the end. So D, F, B flat, A. Quite classical sounding. Down to the B flat, D, same top notes, C, A, G, C. And there's a bit you do in the right hand at the same time. I'll just show you that section again. Okay, so I show it together with the other part in the right hand. So it's basically just those grace note glissando octaves, A to G. And then the final chord is in D minor, D, E, F, A, D, A. You'll find it easier to play it like this, because it's a glissando again. It comes from the end of this part. Play that last section again. Play that last section again. And that's it. So you can go back through this video, stop, start. You can look at the whole version at the end. I hope you get to play it. If you've got any questions or comments, put them below. And please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thanks.